Welcome to Quiz Factory. 15 fun riddles for geniuses only. Are you ready to test your mental abilities? So, focus carefully, think fast, and don't cheat. Before we begin, tell us which country you're watching this video from. Let's begin. Who is the smartest? Don't rush to answer. This is the smartest because he is blocking the gas flow with a towel, which will put out the fire. The other person won't be able to put out the fire with water. Who kidnapped her baby? Woman number 2 kidnapped her son because her belly is big, which means she is pregnant. It would be impossible for her to have a newborn baby at this stage of her pregnancy. Which one of them is dead? There isn't much time left. This person is dead because the heartbeat monitor has stopped and there is no blood in his forebag, unlike the others. Who tried to kill her? The woman in the middle tried to kill her because there is blood on her dress. Who is the dog's real owner? Woman number 1 is the dog's real owner because she is wearing the same pendant as the dog. Which one of them is the chef? This is the chef because he has burn marks on his hand, which means he burned it while cooking. Who is the culprit? This woman is the culprit because she is carrying muddy shoes. There are muddy footprints leading to the broken vase, so she is the culprit. Find 4 differences. Who is pretending to be sick? The person pretending to be sick is the woman using crutches in the middle. If you look carefully, you'll notice that the cast is on the leg she is standing on, while the leg she is lifting has no cast. That means she doesn't really need the crutches. Who would you save? Leave your answer in the comments. Find 4 differences. Here are the differences. Which one of them isn't alive? These 2 people have visible breath coming from their mouths, which means they are breathing and are alive. This person has no visible breath coming from his mouth, which means he isn't alive. Find 4 differences. Who escaped from prison? Look carefully at the picture. This person escaped from prison because he is still wearing handcuffs. Who is poor? This is the poor man, because his clothes are torn and he looks homeless. Who would you save? You can choose both. Leave your answer in the comments. Which one of them isn't a man? Number 3 isn't a man, because she is wearing high heels. If you look carefully at her face, you'll also notice that she is a woman. Who is the princess? This is the princess's crown, and it is gold. The woman wearing a gold crown is this one, so she is the princess. Who is the better cook? Time is running out. The chef on the left has a watch that shows 11:58, yet he still hasn't finished cooking. The chef on the right has a watch that shows 11:30, but she has already finished. That means she is the better cook. Who is the criminal? This is the criminal, because there is blood in her hand, and she doesn't show any reaction. Can you find 4 differences in the picture? Which one is married? She is the married one, because her mug has the first letter of her name and the first letter of her husband's name on it. Who is the thief? Don't miss any detail. This is the thief, because there is a necklace sticking out of his pocket. Who is the real vampire? She is the real vampire, because she is carrying an umbrella to protect herself from the sun, and vampires cannot be exposed to sunlight. Who is the rich prisoner? These 2 prisoners look ordinary, but this prisoner has a cell phone. It's very difficult to have a phone inside a prison, which suggests that he is wealthy and powerful. How we've completed solving 20 puzzles together. Were you able to solve them all? Share your answers in the comments and tell us which puzzle was the hardest for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to catch all our latest puzzle and challenge videos.